Good day guys, you're welcome to the channel. So we'll be doing a breakdown on the trade we took in the Telegram group, which the link is on the comment section and also on the description section. You can go check it out, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So the first trade we took was CADJPY, which was called on the Telegram channel. You can check it out, the link is on the comment section. From the weekly time frame, we could see that this market was going down. You can see here on the weekly time frame we are having lower lows and lower highs. So we could take this here and identify it. You see this is a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. Now price forming a lower high. Now on the daily time frame, you can see here this point here has been a point of rejection previously for price. You can see here price pushed up, price pushed up, price pushed up, price pushed up. So on the 4 hours time frame was actually when I took this trade here. At this point in time here, immediately I saw our entry criteria, I called it on the Telegram group and I took a sell here. My stop loss was just here, I targeted just a 1:2 and it was hit. So this was the first trade I took. That was ADJPY. The next trade I also called was NZDJPY. This was another trade I called. Also closed it at 1:2. Around somewhere here I closed because of this level. So I just picked 1:2 because I noticed that immediately price gets to here, it must reject before it goes down to 1:3. So to just ease that mental stress, I just close it on 1:2 on ADJPY and also on NZDJPY. It's similar reasons why I took a sell. If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that the market is progressing downward. You can even draw a trend line to illustrate this. You can see how the market is going. It's facing downward. Now from the daily time frame, we are in a very strong area where price has rejected previously. You can see it clearly here. We had a rejection here. We had another rejection here. You can see a rejection from this point, a rejection from this point again, before we had a final break. Now, after a break, we had a rejection, and when price was coming here, I knew that price has a chance of going down. So at least there's a 50% chance of price going down when price retests such a level. So with that, I just took a sell. Maybe I saw a different sell criteria which we teach in our mentorship. After that, maybe I saw it. I took a sell from here. I called it on the Telegram channel also and targeted around 1:2. Trade hit my take profit. This was NZDJPY. So if you check on the group, you'll see these trades and other trades too we called. So I won NZDJPY, I also won ADJPY. Now the trade that hit my break even was USDCHF. This USDCHF here. I called a buy. I knew that USDCHF was about to sell off, but there was a 50% chance of it going at least 1:2, and it moved around 1.64. I was just waiting for it to get to 1:2 here before I closed. So I knew that it was actually selling off, but I just wanted to take this 1:2. But the market came down to hit me out on a break even, because when it moved 1:1, I moved my stop loss to break even, and once the price came back, it just hit me out on a break even. So this week we were positive. We made 4R this week on the free Telegram group without even adding the profit we made from the mentorship and the rest. So on the Telegram group, we made 2R on NZDJPY, and we also made 2R on ADJPY, and we had a break even, that's zero, no loss on USDCHF. So this week was a very nice week. All trades was really amazing actually. Even on the trades we called on the mentorship, all was really banging. So we only had a break even on USDCHF and a total net profit of 4R. So actually, if you check this NZDJPY and ADJPY, they moved 1:3, which I forecast 1:3 actually would that make 6R, but I'm okay with the 4R. The 4R did not come with a lot of emotional issues. So you just take your trade, execute. Now on the mentorship, we call trades, which I also showed. The trades we called, I will just go through it very fast, so that we can move to this week forecast. So the trade we called was on GDP sell. This was the sell. We called CHFJPY. This was CHFJPY, and we also called the EURJPY. If you check my previous video, you'll see when I called the EURJPY, all of them were 3 arrow, and the take profit has been hit. So this week was very, very profitable. We also called CADJPY, and CADJPY also hit our take profit, all with the range bound trading strategy. So if you want to learn more about it, just join the Telegram group and contact, and you'll be added to the mentorship. So guys, let's go to this week forecast on the pairs I'm looking out for. So the first thing I'm looking out for this week is the JPY index. Now you can see how the correlation works on JPY. So we can see that the JPY is currently on a zone that has tested previously over time. You can see the last time the market was on this zone here. You see this is the first rejection. We had another rejection, we had another rejection, and now we are at this point. Now there's something to note about the JPY. We could see the downward movement. This is the wave. Now let's clone this wave. The bullish momentum within these three waves are actually increasing. Here there was much bearish momentum. Here there is low bearish momentum. So that means there is a bullish momentum building on the JPY. I'm actually looking for a sell, but there is a bullish momentum building up. So I will take note of that. So if the JPY actually sell, that means any other pair correlated to the JPY, like EURJPY and all those pairs, will start buying, and I'll be looking for a buy actually. So at this point in time, I'm looking for a drop on the JPY index. So if I see a drop, I'm not expecting this drop to be long. So let's go to EURJPY. Now on EURJPY, we caught this move here, we caught this move down also. 3 arrow on each of them. Check the Telegram group, you see it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified once we post any video. Please join the community as the community is growing. So you can see here at this point in time, this point of price rejecting, based on correlation, if the JPY index pushes downward, I'll be looking for a buy on EURJPY to push upward to this zone here. Why am I looking for a buy? You can see that we had previous rejection, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, 4 rejection. That's not a coincidence. For something to happen 4 times, it has a chance of it happening again. Just basic human understanding. History always repeats itself. So there is a 50% chance of this market reacting from this point, and with our risk reward, even if it's 1:2, we will still be profitable. If it's 1:3, we will still be profitable, as long as we know that there is a 50%, there is a 40% probability of an occurrence, we are going to be profitable. So all we are meant to do is to execute our trading plan without any remorse, without any doubt. Just execute it. So we trust the process. As long as you have backtested it, I've backtested it over and over again. If you check the previous videos, you can see the trades we have called. Check the Telegram group, we have called so many trades. So if you go back to the Telegram group, you can check previously, you will see so many trades we have called, and we have seen the consistency of just trading like this. Very simple and consistent. So I'm expecting a bullish push here. If I don't see a bullish push out of here, I will not look for any buy. But if I see a bullish push that the risk to reward is above 1:2 or 1:3, I'm okay. I will call it on the Telegram channel for we all to take this trade on EURJPY. So this is what I'm looking out for on EURJPY. And also let's check USDJPY. USDJPY is also correlated. This was a short on USDJPY actually. So let's delete this. Now on the daily time frame, we have a demand zone here. Now this is a demand zone actually, but if you look here, what do we have? A previous rejection and also a demand zone. That's confluence. So that means we have at least a 40% chance of this market pushing upward. So the next point which I'll be looking for this market to push might be somewhere around here. So the only thing is I don't like the risk to reward from the market to move from year to year. Might not be able to give me that risk to reward I need. So but on USDJPY though, if the market rejects, we expect it to reach here. Maybe if it's up to 1:1 before here, I will break even and expect it to move before it finally comes out. So it depends. If I see a 1:1 from year to year, surely I will take it. I'll just execute it once it reaches here. I'll move my stop loss to break even and allow the market to fight with this point here. If it breaks it, we make profit. If it doesn't, we make break even. And also if we make loss, that's okay. I expect the market to come to here for 1:1. But if I don't see a 1:1 before the market gets to here, I will not take any trade on USDJPY. So that's for USDJPY. Remember EURJPY, we are taking a buy. USDJPY, same. GDPJPY, all the JPY pairs. No, GDPJPY is not okay. I'm not okay with buying here yet. I'm not okay with buying GDPJPY for now. But I will keep everyone posted in the group. CHFJPY, I think I'm okay with buying CHFJPY. Yeah, I'm okay. You can see this zone. You can see the zone. The quality of the zone is very, very strong. Let's delete this other. The zone is very strong. I'm okay with buying CHFJPY. Immediately price break this counter trend line, I'll be looking for a buy on CHFJPY. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that the community can grow. And also you can reach out on the Telegram group if you want to take part of the mentorship. So from here, I'll be looking for a buy on CHFJPY though, if the risk reward is okay. But on EURJPY, I'm comfortable buying on EURJPY. Comfortable buying on CADJPY also. CADJPY, all the JPY pairs, it just determine if the index finally rejects from this zone. Imagine this index reject from this zone, break this line, the counter trend line, and taking those trades upwards. I'm taking those trades. So they are negatively correlated. So guys, let's move to the USD pairs and check the correlations. So we'll start with DXY. So from the daily time frame, you can see that DXY is currently on this zone, this major zone here. I could remember during our last year analysis when price was still here, around here, we predicted that the price will push up to here, and finally also when the price already break it. So currently this zone, I remember this zone lasted for close to 2 years. Price was just oscillating within this zone. Price coming back to test here might be a bullish one though. Looking at it, if this market is unable to break here, it might just reject and start pushing upward. But I'm not confident with this zone, or it might just drop down to hit here and start going down. So it depends. It depends. For me, at this point in time, I will wait for price to decide where it's going. Then before I will start looking for trade on Euro USD and GDP USD. So once I see a clear break, I will start making my decision on whether to start looking for buy or sell. So if price breaks this counter trend line, that means the market will be going upward. If the market only breaks this trend line, so that means we'll be looking for sell on Euro USD if the market breaks that counter trend line. So there was a trade I actually saw here, but I did not take it because of this zone, this red zone here. I just left it, right? Because I knew that price has a chance of retesting this zone, despite it was also rejecting from this zone. Euro USD, I'll be leaving it for now. Let it decide where it's going. Euro USD and DXY and GDP USD, I'll be leaving them for now. Another pair I'll be looking out for is Euro GDP. So last week the market was still here. I talked about it coming down, and we are seeing this bearish movement. So I'm expecting this bearish movement to come down to this point, at least to sweep out this low, at least this low here, and take out others before we see another massive push upward somewhere here to this point here. So I'm okay taking a trade from this point. So I want to see that massive downward push here, exhaustion, sweep out this low, and take up a buy upward on Euro GDP. So these are the pairs I'm looking at for. Don't forget Euro JPY, I'm looking out for a buy if the JPY index gets weak, and also I will be looking for a buy on CADJPY, USDJPY, or the JPY pairs if I see confirmation, and Euro GDP I'll be looking for a buy. That's the pairs I'm looking at for this week. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also join the Telegram group and channel, which the link is on the comment section and also in the description section. Thank you guys. I will see you guys same time next week. Peace out guys.